Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPJPY in this week just kept on ranging in between this key zone to like this key zone over here. As you can see on the previous week as well, GBPJPY kept on respecting this key zone as its support zone over here and also kept on respecting this key zone as its resistance zone. But however, even though GBPJPY kept on ranging in between these two key zones for the past 2 weeks, the price is still closed bullish at the end of the week. As you can see on the previous week, the price closed bullish over here with this bullish candle on a weekly time frame, and also in this week the price closed bullish with this bullish candle over here at the end of the week, almost seeming like the price building momentum to make a breakout of this ranging phase with further bullish momentum. Now if you go to this daily time frame, then you can have a better understanding how GBPJPY is building momentum to continue moving bullish. Now as you can see on the previous week, GBPJPY made a breakout of this key zone, but then again closed all the way above this key zone over here, respecting this key zone as a pretty major support zone over here. And then GBPJPY continued to build this bullish momentum, then came all the way down to make a new higher low, and then continued to build this bullish momentum to retest all the way this key zone over here. Now if you go to even shorter time frame like 4-hour time frame, you can see how GBPJPY is almost forming a new uptrend line over here while building this bullish momentum. Now as you can see already, GBPJPY is almost creating this newly forming uptrend line over here by making this new higher low and then respecting this uptrend line and forming these two key zone over here, finding support around here. Now my anticipation on the upcoming week on GBPJPY is that if GBPJPY on the upcoming week continues to respect this uptrend line and continues to respect this key zone or this key zone over here, where GBPJPY is currently finding a bit support over here on this 4-hour time frame, as you can see price closing above this key zone retesting. So if GBPJPY on the upcoming week continues to respect this key zone or this key zone as its support zone and also respects this uptrend line and continues to build more momentum to come all the way up and makes a break and close above this key zone, then you can go to shorter time frames like 30 minutes time frame, right, like this, and then look for certain structure to be formed around here on this 30 minutes time frame after you see GBPJPY almost showing signs of making a break and close above this key zone. So after GBPJPY does that, go to this shorter time frame like 30 minutes time frame, wait for certain structure to be formed after it makes a breakout of this key zone, some structure like this structure over here, and then look for trace on the breakout of that structure with further bullish momentum in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way up to retest this key zone over here, which you saw on the daily time frame as well, right around here. However, if GBPJPY with further bullish momentum makes a break and close even above this key zone, then you can expect GBPJPY to continue pushing up to probably retest this high over here, as you can see like here. And a breakout of these clusters of highs would lead GBPJPY to continue pushing up to make a new higher high to come all the way retest this key level, which is on the weekly time frame as well, which we drew on the basis of its previous retest points over here. And there's another key level over here which has multiple retest points over here. So that might not happen on the upcoming week, but a week from that or more, the price might come all the way up to retest any of this key level to continue moving in this in respect to this uptrend channel if it continues to make new higher high by breaking above this cluster of highs. However, if GBPJPY on the upcoming week continues to respect this key zone as its resistance zone and makes a breakout of this uptrend line and makes a break and close below this key zone or this key zone with further bearish momentum, then there is a high chance GBPJPY might continue going down all the way to retest this key zone over here. So if you see GBPJPY making a breakout of this uptrend line and also making a break and close below this key zone, then you can similarly go to shorter time frame and look for trace on the short side in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way down to make another retest on this key zone, making GBPJPY still ranging in between this key zone to like this key zone, which we talked about in the weekly time frame. Now that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. So if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know more about my regular updates on my trades, make sure to follow me on Instagram from the links in the video description, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the video description as well, so you can see where all these key zones and trend lines and stuffs are.